Don't cry. Look up here. Look up here, girl.
Sir, here's your mail.
Unopened draft?
Of course, sir. I wouldn't touch your allowance.
Hey, do you remember last month when I
Hey.
got letters for some other guy named Benjamin Pierce?
Greatest love letters I've ever read.
Here's another.
Now, two of you kids.
What? What did you say? You're ready for your daddy to come home?
Another one?
Yeah. Yeah, I know.
Nibbling on her shoulder blades in an avocado.
Yeah.
And at harvest time,
Mommy knows.
she's turning me into guacamole.
You said you don't like that bow on top of your head? You want mommy to take it off? Okay. There you go. Mommy took it off for you. Yeah.
I got a letter from my mother-in-law. She still addresses me by my maiden name.
How rude.
She refuses to acknowledge our marriage.
Unforgivable.
She writes Donald constantly, recommending good morning. She loves to talk little phrases like two different worlds.
Hey, Gabrielle.
Kind.
Yes,
Hey.
But now this,
You're mad? Oh, I understand.
she blackballed me.
Well, that's understandable.
What?
Margaret,
What you got to say, little girl?
Wait a minute, it's not on the arrow.
Hmm?
Oh, here it is.
What you got to say to your daddy? To everyone out there in the world? Maybe she's teething now.
Teething? How?
Yep. I believe she is.
How?
Because she's a baby, of course.
She can't have teeth yet.
So yes, I can. Just because I'm little doesn't mean anything. You want me to box you? You want me to box you like I did the other night?